Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Rachel A. Uson, 35 years old, married with 2 kids, ages 17 years old and 15 years old. I have a working experience as a domestic helper in Jeddah, Saudi Arabia for 3 years and 8 months. Finished contract from 2019 to 2022. My employer was 4 adults, ages 62 years old, 60 years old, 35 years old, and 33 years old. My main duty was cleaning and assisting my madam in the kitchen. My second employer was in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for 2 years and 4 months, from 2023 to 2025 finished contract. My employer was 2 old women only. My main duty was cooking, cleaning, marketing, and do all around household chores. I have also working experience in Hong Kong last 2015. I have 2 adults and 2 kids, 9 years old and 7 years old. And also in Hong Kong last 2018, 2 adults, 3 years old and a newborn baby, 4 months only. I want to work again in Hong Kong because I want a high salary for my family and to my 2 sons that are going to college. To my future employer, I pray that you will choose me. I will focus on my work and I'll do my best. I will follow all of your orders and respect all your decisions. Thank you and God bless. Have a good day, mom and sir.